today we're going to learn about how to write a proof. As you can see from our example up here, the first thing we do is go to our givens. A and B are parallel. So we go back to our diagram and we mark line A and B are parallel with our parallel markings. We're supposed to look at it like arrows. We go to our second given, which is C is a transversal line. Since there is no marking for a transversal line, we just have to keep it in mind. So, we look at what we were trying to prove. Angle 2 is congruent to angle 7. So in a different color marker, we mark angle 2 and angle 7. Now we can start our proof. Our number one in our proof is our first given. A and B are parallel lines. And the reason is because it's our given. So, now we look at our diagram another time and try to figure out what theorem or postulate are we going to use to prove that angle 2 and angle 7 are congruent. We know that angle 2 and angle 7 are on parallel lines cut by a transversal, so that means they're alternate exterior angles. So on the side, we write alternate exterior angles so we can keep in mind how to solve it. So we go to our number 2. We go to our second given, which we normally don't do. C is a transversal line. And the reason is because it's a given. Now, if we look back at our diagram, we can see that without the transversal line, there would just be two parallel lines with a bunch of numbers. So, now we can look at the location of angle 2 and angle 7. They are both on opposite parallel lines and located on opposite sides of the transversal line, meaning that they are in fact alternate exterior angles. So we go back to our proof, and now we can write angle 2 is congruent to angle 7 because they are the definition of alternate exterior angles. Now we look back one more time to make sure that we have proved everything, and we did. Angle 2 is in fact congruent to angle 7 because they are alternate exterior angles. And that is how you write a proof.
Thank you, and have a good day.
What were you guys laughing about? No, Tommy looked like he was dead.